Hello kitchen technicians, welcome back to this channel. It's Belle again. We are here with another yummy recipe. Today we are going to be making a simple but powerful egg stew. And we all know how nutritious eggs are, right? Please come with me and let's make this together. But also subscribe and hit the notification. Don't forget to like and share too. Thank you. Now, for this eggs, you will need 6 eggs, 1 big size purple onion, 2 green bell peppers, 6 ripe tomatoes, habanero pepper paste with spices, 1 cup oil, 1 cup tomato paste, seasoning cube, 1 tablespoon herring powder, half teaspoon curry powder, a quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, nutmeg. Let's get started. We are going to chop our vegetables beginning with a purple onion, after which we will chop our green bell peppers. Next is the 6 ripe tomatoes. Try to chop it into smaller pieces like this to enable it melt in the stew quickly. Now let's move straight to our skillet where we will be throwing in all our ingredients to create our yummy egg stew. Let's go ahead and pour in our 1 cup of oil into the heated skillet. Next is to pour the chopped onions into the heated oil. Saute it and add the habanero pepper paste with spices. I used 6 habanero peppers, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon rosemary, 1 teaspoon crushed basil, half teaspoon anise seed, 2 cloves of garlic, and a quarter onion. Blend all these together to make your flavorful paste. Let it stay for about 3 minutes and proceed to add your tomato paste. Stir that too for a while, cover to cook for a bit. Stir again after 4 minutes and add the chopped fresh tomatoes to it. At this point, continue to stir. Stews do demand a lot of stirring so all the great flavors will blend perfectly and also so it doesn't burn. Cover and let it cook for a few minutes. Stir again and keep repeating this process until most of the fresh tomatoes melt. When you notice this, it's time to add other ingredients. Add your 1 tablespoon herring powder, stir a little, and add half teaspoon of curry powder, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric seasoning, add the 1 teaspoon of salt, and grate in a little nutmeg. Nutmeg is a spice I really love. You will find it in almost all my savory dishes. Its flavor is wonderful. What do you think? Please drop a comment on that and let us know. What spice do you love most? Let us know that too. Now our star ingredient goes in. Break your eggs and whisk a bit. Pour it into your stew and don't stir just yet. Cover the skillet and let it stay for 3 minutes. This is important because we want the eggs to bubble up a bit before we stir so we can have chunks of eggs in the stew. If you stir immediately you pour the eggs in, it will thoroughly mix with the stew and almost disappear. We don't want that. Now stir and go ahead and add your green bell pepper. Stir and cover. Leave it on low heat for about 4 minutes. Our yummy egg stew is done. Look at how lovely it is. You will enjoy this, trust me. You'll be doing your body a lot of good with this scrumptious stew. Let's enjoy this stew with our delicious coconut rice. Thanks a lot for joining me today. Do join me again in my next video. You will not regret it. Subscribe, hit the notification, like and share as well. Thank you very much. Bye bye.